dedication to a towering personality, concern for the oppressed human beings from all over the world in need of compassion, the management of KISS Bhubaneswar unanimously resolves to confer on you the KISS Humanitarian Award 2017 on this day, the 21st November 2017.
Now here, people, trouble area, less privileged, right? Less privileged. So, 7 billion human beings, mentally, emotionally, physically, same. Within same human brothers, sisters, making some distinction. Some are a little bit sort of the better position, some are sort of lower. And now in this country, so-called caste system, outdated, totally wrong, old way of thinking. Similarly, some kind of look down or negligence about underprivileged people. That's totally wrong.